Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to another cooking session in Hamal's kitchen. Today I'm making paneer in pickling sauce, and this recipe is really easy to make and it's really simple. Let's start the cooking process. Firstly, cut the paneer in cube bite size and fry them on both sides in less oil until it becomes light golden in color. After a few minutes of cooking, you can see the paneer color has been changed to light golden in color. Now let's transfer it to the bowl. Now add some oil on the same pan. Here I have added mixed cumin seed, fenugreek seed, mustard seed. Once it starts to splutter, add chopped onion, fry till light golden in color. As you can see, the onion color has been changed. Add ginger and garlic, mix it well and fry for a minute so the raw flavor goes away. Add some tomato puree, mix well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. As you can see, after 5 minutes of cooking, the tomato has loosened all its water and oil starts to separate. At this stage, add yogurt, along with turmeric powder, chili powder, salt to taste, garam masala, and finally tamarind water. If you don't have a tamarind, you can use lemon juice because it gives sour kick to this recipe. Mix well. And cover the lid and cook for a few minutes until oil starts to separate on the side. As you can see, after a few minutes of cooking, the oil starts to separate on the side, which indicates our yogurt has been cooked. Now add fried paneer. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Look at this. After 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, our paneer in pickling is ready. So try this recipe in your kitchen. You will like it. Thank you guys for taking out the time to watch this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.